Welcome back, student. This is the fourth part of the video. That means this is the fourth part of your chapter number 2, How the Camel Got His Hump. Now, in this part, I am going to teach you the remaining content of this chapter. That means in my first video, I have taught you about the horse, dog, ox, that they have work, but the camel did not go to work or to help with them. In the second video, I have taught you that the owner came and gave the double work to the three. That means the owner gave the double work to horse, dog and ox. And in third video, I have taught you that the jinn came, the appearance of the jinn. The jinn came and he went to the camel in the desert, where the camel was sitting ideally beside the river and looking at his reflection in the water, and he was sitting ideally there. The jinn and the camel had conversation, and in this part I am going to teach you the remaining content of this chapter. I should not say that again if I were you. Now is the statement said by the jinn. I should not say that again if I were you. Said the jinn, I want you to work. That means the jinn is telling to the camel that please go and work. Do your work. And the camel said hump again. But no sooner had he said it than he saw his beak that he was so proud of, puffing up into a great big hump. That means this part of the camel was flat before. This part of the camel was flat before. But due to his word repeatedly saying hump, the jinn was irritated and gave him the curse that he will wear a hump. Now it is very clearly written here again. But no sooner had he said it than he saw a beak that he was so proud of, puffing up into a great big hump. इस ऊंट का यह भाग ऊपर फूलने लगा. It start swelling up. Puffing means swelling. It start puffing up. फूलने लगा. Do you see that? Said the jinn. That's your very own hump that you have brought upon yourself by not working. Now the jinn is telling to the camel that this hump is due to your laziness. This is due to your laziness because you have not done a single stroke of work since 3 days. Today is Thursday and you have done no work since Monday. When the work began, now you are going to work. That means onwards Monday, this camel had not done a single stroke of work. And for this, the three animals were very angry because they got to do double work. And so the jinn heard their complaint and went to the camel. The jinn discussed with the camel, but the camel was not ready to work with the three. So the jinn became angry and he gave him the curse that he will have hump on his back. When the work began, now you are going to the work. Now the jinn is giving order to the camel that go and work. You lazy creature, don't sit and waste your time. How can I set the camel with this hump on my back? Now the camel is telling to the jinn. How can I set the camel with this hump on my back? That means how can I work with this hump on my back? That's made with a purpose. Now said the jinn, that is made with a purpose. Said the jinn, you missed those 3 days. That means the jinn is making him realize that you have missed the 3 days by not working. And as you have not worked, you have got this hump because you just sat and eated lot of food which was not digested properly by working. So this is the hump you got on your back. You miss those 3 days. You will be able to work now for 3 days without eating because you can live on your hump. And do you ever say, I never did anything for you? Come out of the desert and go to the tree and behave. Now the jinn is telling that come out of the desert and go to the tree and behave. Now the tree is, who are the three here? Who are the three here? In my first video I have taught you their name. I have tell you their name. The three was the horse, the dog and the ox. Now the jinn is telling to the camel that go and behave properly and work with them. And the camel went away to join the tree. And from that day to this, the camel always wears a hump that we call a hump. Now what happened? Due to his laziness, due to camel's idleness, all the animals were angry and the jinn was too annoyed. And so he gave the curse hump to the camel. Before, camel did not have this hump on his back. His back was quite flat. But due to his laziness, the jinn gave him the hump. That means the camel can live without eating anything for many days. Because the hump have the storage capacity of food. That means the hump is the part of the body for camel that store food for the camel, or the camel can live without eating any food or without drinking water for many days. Do you understood, student? Please read it, the content. Read the first video, second video, third video, as it is quite visible. You all can see it. It is very clear. Please read it and try to understand it. In my next video, I will discuss the book work of this chapter with you all, and then we will discuss question answer of this chapter. Till then, please revise the chapter or see the video twice or thrice so that you will understand it. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.